friends, if you belong to paint and coating industry or chemical industry, this video for you guys. Hello friends, this is Avinash. Welcome to our channel CRYO, the world of coating science. Friends, this is a second day video of Paint India 2018. If you haven't seen first day video, please don't forget to watch it. Friends, in this video we are going to visit the companies come up with the new invention and new technologies. Hello friends, we are here with the very fascinating technology. We just want to know about that, what it is. So just take a look at it. With us here is a CEO of Skillvary. So we will know from him what this technology is and how it is going to benefit paint and coating technology. Sir, let us know about your company first.
Yeah, thank you. So we are a company that builds technology tools for training in hard skills like spray painting and welding. So what we have here is a very innovative, world's first kind of product where you can teach spray painting without using actual paint, but getting feedback on what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. So skill of a painter is very important, because if a painter applies the paint in a very bad way, then there is a loss for customer as well as loss for the paint company also. So this is a very cost-effective and highly efficient way of training painters. So what we use is a technology called extended reality. So we wear a headset that we have here. Once we wear this, we see a job in front of us. It can be a car door panel, it can be a plain wall, it can be a protective coating pipeline. So the corresponding jobs can be loaded into the simulator, and you can practice it on the job in the virtual environment. And once you finish the painting, you can see an analysis like what you see here. So So now you would see that after I have painted, it is shown in different colors what I have done right, what I have done wrong. So what you see here in green color is the paint that I have applied with the right amount of DFT. What I see in blue color is the paint that I have applied less than the right DFT, and anything in the darker colors are excess application that would be like a sag. If I can take 2 more minutes, I'll quickly show how it is done.
Wear this in front of camera. This is how you have to wear this equipment, and then hold this spray gun. This is a virtual spray gun. In the video you can see it. So we will take a look at how it works.
So I would
So now the user is inside a spray booth. So before the painting is done, you see a color code which indicates at what distance the spray gun has to be held. It could be, after the spray painting is started, we can get a live feedback of how good the painting is done. The speedometer indicates the speed of painting, and the 4 arrows outside indicates the distance at which the gun is with respect to the work object, and the 2 squares indicates the angle of painting. So these 3 parameters govern the quality of output given over the work surface. And so after the painting is done, we can get a scorecard of how good the performance has been done. So he has got a score of 53, out of which we can see the split up of all the individual parameters. So he has scored distance 61, and so we have gone into the paint consumption. We can see how much amount of paint has been applied and how much has been wasted outside, and what is the total paint consumed. And we can also see the holiday map, which shows the areas which has been left unpainted. All the red color region there shows, so now he's showing a thickness map. So the green color region shows the ideal DFT, and red color shows the DFT above what is required, and that region would have sagged ideally. And similarly, we can choose a number of workpieces for painting. So the whole idea, or the main intention with which the product is built, is to use simulators without the use of consumables and train them effectively. So what do you feel about it?
Friends, this is a very fascinating technology. I am too much impressed with this technology, and even you guys also impressed with this technology. If you visit or you get a chance to experience this technology, how it works, basically it's going to make a revolution in paint technology, I think so. So let us know what you think about this paint technology in comment section. Sir, now I just want to know, it's been 3 days in Paint India 2018. So how was your experience, and what you feel that sharing using this technology in this particular event, how it's going to give you benefit?
So I think this is India's largest gathering where anybody related to paint comes to one single place. So we actually launched this product 2 days back at the inauguration of the Paint India. Mr. Abhijit Roy, who is the president of Indian Paint Association, has inaugurated this stall. And prior to that, we have had pre-launch customers of all the leading paint companies. So here, when we are coming and showing it here, the larger industry which is related to painting, be it a supplier of a painting material as well as paint companies as well as end users of painting, they are able to see that something like this exists. So the visibility that we got for the product here is very, very high, and I think it's been a very good decision to have decided to participate in Paint India.
Thank you. So we are here with the epta India representative. So we will ask them what they are come up with and what information they have to share with us. So sir, I just want to know about your company first. Just give us a little bit introduction about your company.
In fact, Epta Nova is a big company based in Italy, having different business brands into textile printing, industrial printing, and pre-press, digital, and into the coating industry and painting industry. So we have 4 different divisions called as Epta Inks Digital, Epta Tech, and Epta Coat. So this Pentris is a part of Epta Tech, and we have come out with a new patented technology of spray system for the painting industry. I think my friend Giuseppe will be better to explain in detail about the product, what we have come out here, a new launch in this Paint India exhibition.
Okay, thank you, sir. Basically, you have come up with the new invention in the spray system. Okay, so let us know about what you have come up with.
What the patent is about changing the carrier that is used to spray. Obviously, we're talking about spray painting, which is those let's say application technologies where compressed air is used. That is either air mix, pneumatic, electrostatic, or rotary bell mechanic. Basically, what we do is we transform compressed air into nitrogen, what I call in the last mile. In other words, just before the air enters the gun, and by doing so, clients have a double benefit. The first benefit is that because of the higher efficiency, they can achieve very high savings in coating material. Depending on the target that you are spraying, the savings can be between 20 and 40%. And on top of that, you have a tremendous improvement in the quality of the target that you have sprayed, typically resulting in much increased gloss. This is because nitrogen, the molecular, let's say, properties of nitrogen allow to achieve these results.
Basically, the system you have developed that eliminates the oxygen and carbon dioxide and just transferring the pure nitrogen.
Well, to the basic concept is that compressed air that then is compressed has a molecular composition made of 22 molecules. 22 molecules with different speeds, different masses, that when they are compressed and get out of the gun, obviously they transport the paint at let's say in a bit more in a messier way. What we do is we reduce the number of molecules that transport the paint from basically 22 to 1. So when the particle of paint travels towards the target, it does so in a more ordinary fashion. So there is that's how you gain more efficiency, basically.
Thank you, sir. So I just want to know about, it's been 3 days in Paint India. So how you feel and how was your experience in Paint India?
It was excellent. I think we had a lot of people interested in this new technology. Also because we believe that in 5 or 10 years' time, nitrogen will become a standard. People will not use compressed air for spraying, but they will use nitrogen. And the level of interest and the questions that we have been asked was tremendous. I mean, I think is a very promising. Yes.
Thank you. So how was your experience in this 3 days in Paint India?
Very beautiful. This stand, is the first time we present this machine in India. This market is very big. We have probably more opportunity because people also, we found many people, many company that search very good quality. And with our machine we can reach this target.
Thank you. Sir, how was your experience in Paint India?
No, it was very encouraging, and as my colleagues put it out, there is a good response for the new technology, and people are many big companies, big consumers are showing keen interest in this because it's giving a lot of advantages to the end user. So the exhibition was a good launch pad for us.
Actually, it's giving us platform to share our knowledge with others. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. And hello, friends. We are here with the representative of Presto Testing Instrument. Sir, we just like to know about your company.
Yeah, we are Presto Stand Test Private Limited. We are the manufacturers of precision lab testing equipments. We are a 35-year-old company, national award winner for quality in 2015 and 16. Here we are showcasing our equipments which are related to paints and coating industry, since the exhibition is concentrated here. Under one roof we manufacture and supply testing equipments for paints, coatings, plastic, packaging, automotive, rubber, all these industries we cater to.
Thank you. What you feel about this big event in the continent?
It's a great show. We have been constantly participating in this exhibition. 2 years ago we participated. It was at a much smaller scale, and this year it is a really big stage. I see a lot of customers, our potential customers, our competitors, lot of opportunities for us as a manufacturer over here.
How you see the future of paint and coating industry?
Oh yes, see, paint is an aesthetic value. It has an aesthetic value, not only aesthetic, but when it is applied for different application, it has its own different, I can say, importance. So paint is a, you can say, in future it is going to take in leaps and bounds, and it would be altogether a new vertical and new line of business for in the industry.
Okay. So can you show us your equipments and give us a little demo?
Sure.
Okay.
As paints are generally in the coating business, since a lot of companies are into coating, there is a corrosion. So for corrosion, we have a corrosion test chamber, which is used to check the corrosiveness of the material. This is our patented design product. Widely accepted in the market. We are suppliers to big companies like Honda, Maruti, ExxonMobil, Nippon Paints, Asian Paints, Berger Paints. This is how the chamber looks. Strictly complying to national and international standards. The entire equipment complies to ASTM B117 standards, and there are other standards also which we can comply to. And we have a huge customer base for this particular equipment. This is our own patented design model.
Okay, so it is different from the traditional model.
It is very much different from the traditional model, strictly complying to the standards. As I told you, there are certain standards in this industry, and we are authorized for that.
Friends, if you enjoy this video, please let us know in comment section. Please like this video and share with all the people related to paint and coating industry. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, CRYO the World of Coating Science, and hit the bell icon to get notifications so that you won't miss our next video related to paint and coating industry. Friends, we will meet in next video with new information. Till then, bye bye from Avinash.